Everyone. Hello, Dr. Poorani. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to be the part of the life mastery. The learning from the life mastery is awesome, is beautiful. It has transformed my life. It has impacted my daily routine. The things, little things we were avoiding to get into the routine. You made it easy. The affirmations, the meditations, the exercise, the thought level, the thought process, it has become very easy. So thanks and thank you a lot. I love the meditation of chakras, the aura cleaning, and I love the ABC technique. It has done wonders for me. Thanks a lot for me. The five element balancing in the body has also worked wonder in me. The affirmations, how you were and what you are becoming has also made things very clear in your mind. The clarity has been given with these sessions, and you change from emotional level, personal level, in your relationship. You change. You understand the things. You take your own responsibility, and you know how to work in that situation. You get a great clarity. You know you need to work, but before life mastery, you do not understand how to tackle it, how to go for that. But after it, you had a great clarity. Had a great courage, great strength. Thanks, Dr. Poorani, for giving such an opportunity to being a part of it and making us understand things very easily. Although the things are very small, the impact is numerous. It has impacted the life immensely. Thanks a lot, and thank you for giving the wonderful lifelong friends, everyone, Shreya, Preeti ji, Ruth, Rama Devi, and thanks a lot for being a wonderful friends, wonderful company, and thank you again, Dr. Poorani, and also thank you, Edwin, for taking into the account if you are joining, not joining. Thank you so much.